Oh yeah, right here. Dewey, see it? This thing's about to go insane. We'll get out right up here. Hey, there's a funnel right on top of us.
You're shooting me right up.
I got the nipple right above us. Let's get out real quick. I think it's coming down right on top of us. Yeah, hey, right on top of us. Are you scanning, Mick? Look up, Chris, hand me the camera, hurry.
Record. Scanning.
Record.
Oh, right there, right there!
I got it, just to our north, right in the field, right up there. Chris, get ready. We're rocking. Get ready, Mick.
I'm scanning, outbound.
It's coming right on top of us. Get ready. It's just right there. It's really intensifying. It's right here, right in front of us.
What the hell is this?
I don't know what's going on.
Okay, stop.
Holy crap. Violent tornado.
This could spell disaster.
Right in front of us, Chris, look!
Stay down.
Okay, it's gonna be intense, you guys. Hang on. We're in it. Ears popping.
Standing radar.
We're inside it right now. Look at this.
Look around, man, it's awesome.
All right, we gotta get out of here.
Storm Chasers. Visit discovery.com/stormchasers for listings.